If you would like to update your rates and availability, go to your Booking.com's extranet. Click on the Rates and Availability page, then click on Calendar. You will see a calendar displaying all your rooms and rate plans. On the left-hand side, you can see the name of the room type. And below that, you can see your availability and all the rate plans you have associated to that room. To update your availability for a single day, click on a cell in the Rooms to Sell row, change the value and press Enter to save. To update your availability for multiple days, click on one cell and drag to the right. Adjust the value in the white pop-up box and click Save. To update your rates, choose the rate plan you want to update. Click on the cell in the Rate Plan row, change the value and press Enter to save. To update your rates for multiple days, click on one cell and drag to the right. Adjust the value in the white pop-up box and click Save. To upload your availability and rates for longer periods, click on the Bulk Edit button. Select your date range and specify any relevant days. Click on Rooms to Sell or Prices, add your value and click on Save Changes.